Okay. Okay, my baby sister wanted to join for we got our first peachy babies, and this is it. We got kitten fur, and the scent is pink sugar. So it's a cloud doll slime, and I'm excited to see what's inside. So I'm gonna give some of my baby sister it. So there's a kitten inside. I never had one of these, so I don't know what it's like. Kitten time. Let's see up close. Hey, look. Wait, don't touch. Look at the kitten time. Now we're gonna take this out. Because this. I know, so it's like, I don't know how to explain this. This is crazy. Ray, do you want one? Yellow one. Here, get some stuff. Don't get it like dirty or anything, okay, Ray? So this is just like, do you hear the like crunch? Here's a crunch. Has no really, it doesn't have a crunch. It doesn't have a crunch because it's cloud dough slime. Hold on, right, entertain them. Here, take those.
Throw it in the, get that other piece too before I pick that up and crack it with my foot. So it is sticky?
No. I know, right? It's meant to be that. So this looks like a doughy, smushy slime. Wow. Pick up that. Right here. This is just like a smushy slime. And just like, let's make it and decorate it. So like, first we have these. We put this in. Let's smell it. That smells like Play-Doh. And then we need to add the cat. And then, ta-da! So that's what we got. And thank you for watching. And let's unbox a peachy baby's slime. Bye! And also, you probably, I don't know, second or first time seeing my baby sister.